Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on part modeling in PTC Creo. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the draft command. For that purpose, let us draw one object, click on the sketch, select any plane, select the rectangle command. Here consider the dimension as 700 by 500. Click on OK. Go to the extrude. Consider the extrusion up to 400. Click on the OK. Now, in case of draft command, we have the two options, draft and variable pull direction draft. Firstly, we will see the draft. So click on the draft. In the references, firstly select the plane which we want to move. Then select the draft hinge along which we have to move the plane. And third one is the pull direction along which we have to pull the draft. So in this case, here the angle is 1 degree. You can change that angle as per your requirement. Suppose the angle is 35, we want angles as a 30. So this is the draft. Say OK. Then second command is variable pull draft. Click on it. In the references, select the plane which you want to draft. Then select the hinge. Now in this case, for the 2 points, we have the two different angles of variables. Suppose first angle is 1 degree. Add the second angle. So right click of mouse and add angle. So first point is at 20 degree. So you can see here the variation of 20 degree, and second angle is of suppose minus 20 degree. So here you can see the variation of minus 20 degree. In this way we can get the variable draft. Suppose for the middle point, add angle, right click of mouse, add angle. For the middle point, the angle requirement is suppose 10 degree. So in this case we can get the variable draft likewise. So you can add here so many points as you required. For the smooth profile, we can add here the angles, variable angles, and we can change the profile of the variable draft. So this is the variable draft. We can modify the shape of the draft by using the various angles.